Hello everyone. So today I'm going to use the Project Libre software to track the process involved in manufacturing a new product in the time of Christmas. So first I'm gonna go on the create project and I will name the project as new Christmas project. Manager is click on OK. So here are the basic things: the name of the task I'm gonna performing for the manufacturing a new product, the duration of the project, start and finish, and the predecessors which are we're gonna talk about later. So first I'm gonna name the major tasks that are involved in manufacturing a new product. The first one is research and development. Second is packaging. Third is production, and the last is delivery. These are the major tasks that are performed in manufacturing a new product. So but these major tasks also has subtasks that are need to be performed too. So in order to add the subtask under these headings, I'm gonna click on here and go to resources, click on insert to add columns. I'm gonna add 4 columns here and write the subtasks. First one is brainstorm ideas, product, design product, process testing. So in order to add these subtasks in the major task heading, I'm gonna select all these 4 and go to the intent button to include these. So the bold letter says that is the major task heading, and under these are the subtasks that are to be performed. So going on here, the black one is a major task heading, and these red bars are the subtasks. I'm gonna do same with the other 3. For the packaging, I'm gonna insert 2 columns, write the packaging subtask. First is design of packaging, and I'm gonna select these 2 and go to intent. So these it became the major task in packaging, and under these are the 2 subtasks. Same I'm gonna do other 2, production, insert 2, up, manufacture initial, select these 2 again indent, and this is the major task, and under these are the subheadings. For delivery, that is packaging of the product and shipment. I'm going to select these 2 again, indent. So here are the major 4 headings, and under these are the subtasks. Going on the durations, I'm going to set the duration of these tasks. So for brainstorming, I'm going to put 2 days, 1 for determining project, 6 days for design of the project, and 3 days for test and fix. So here you can see that time bars that's needed to be there for performing each subtask. So going on towards design, the design is gonna take 2 days, manufacturing is gonna take 10 days, for tool up it's gonna be 3 days for preparing. The manufacturing of the product is gonna take 2 days. Delivery packaging is gonna take 1 day, and 4 days for shipment. So these are the time bars that show the duration of the each task. So coming on here, we can see these bars will be dependent on each other because every task cannot be performed on Monday. So coming on here, for determining the product, brainstorming needs to be done. Unless this is not done, we cannot determine a product. So a determined product is dependent on brainstorming ideas. So in order to show this in the Gantt chart, we can go here and put number 2 here. So here you can see the dependency, it shifted. So determined product is dependent on brainstorm ideas. Unless it's not finished, we cannot determine the product. Same is with the other subtasks. For design product, it is dependent on determined product. So I'm gonna put 3 here. So here you can see the dependency here. For same as for the test and fix, I'm gonna put 4 here. So here you can see the dependency and the critical path that the tasks are going to be follow. So going on towards the design is dependent on the design of the product. The packaging design cannot be done unless the product design is not done. So I'm gonna put 4 here. So here you can see the dependency. Unless the design product task is not performed, we cannot start the packaging design task. For the manufacturing is dependent on the design of the packaging. So I'm gonna put 7 here. So here you can see the dependency. Unless this is not finished, we cannot start the manufacturing of the package design. Going towards the tool up is dependent on the design product. When we start the finish the design product and test fix, we cannot start the tool up task. So I'm going to put 4 here. So you can see it is also dependent on the design product. So the design and the tool up are dependent on the design product. For the manufacturing of the initial product, the tool up needs to be done. Unless this task is not done, we cannot manufacture the initial product. So I'm gonna put 10 here. So here you can see the dependency here too. Going towards the delivery, the packaging is dependent on the manufacturer of the packaging and the manufacturer of the initial product. So there are two dependencies here. So I learned this here. If you click on this bar and drag it over to this and click on here, and you can see the dependency. You don't have to put the numbers, so it will automatically generate a number that the manufacturing of the packaging is dependent on the manufacturing of the packaging. I'm gonna do the same with the manufacturing initial product. Here it is, and I'm gonna drag it over here, and you can see the number here and the dependency too. So the packaging is dependent on the manufacturer of the packaging and the manufacturer of the initial product. At last, the shipping is dependent on the packaging. So I'm gonna shift the packaging from here to here. So here you can see the dependency. So it's this Gantt chart shows the time interval of the task that needs to be done. Going towards the task, here you can see the work breakdown structure. These are the major subheadings. Under these are the sub tasks. Here you can also on the network you can see the duration and the start and finish of each task. So this is how we do build a Gantt chart and the critical part on the project Libre for the manufacturing of the new product. So that's all from me. Thank you.